Hey, what's going on, folks? I'm Jimmy of JD Flutes. This one here is a customer's flute, of course. This one here is my special series, F sharp, tuned to 528 Hertz, the frequency of love. And it has been produced with this beautiful purple heart wood. And folks, this may be my last triple drone that I will make. I think I'm going to stop making the triple drones and just focus more on the single flutes and the double drones. And I think that's what I'm going to do, folks. They're not hard to make for me, but due to time and I have so many customers, I think I'm just going to focus on the single flutes and the double flutes. But like I said, this one here is probably going to be my last one. It came out really good, folks. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. And you can see it's made with my extremely flat plugs for the finger holes. I'm going to do a very short sound sample for you. Beautiful, beautiful piece of wood, folks. Beautiful. Remove the first plug. Remove the second plug. If I can get it out, folks. There it goes. Remove all three finger hole plugs. Appreciate it, folks. Thank you so much for everything you do. I won't be here if it wasn't for you all. Thank you.